Hey guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. I know that the weekend is upon us. I hopped in really quick because I had a couple of things that I picked up from one of my local thrift stores the other day when I was on my way home from one of my appointments. I don't believe I probably spent $20. I know that everybody's thrift store, Goodwill, Ollie's, different stores in their local areas are different, and a lot of us shop online. But I wanted to show you these things because I wanted to encourage you to stop into some of your thrift stores when you have a chance. You never know what you're going to find. If I could be wrong, but I think some of the things that I've even found are probably sold on HSN too. So I got this pack. It has dies and it has stamps. So here are the stamps, and this side is the dies. I got this for $2 at my thrift store. $2. Another one, and I hadn't figured out what it's for yet, but I got these. I don't even know what this is on the other side, but it's a set of dies. I got this for like $1. I got these lace borders. I got this. This was like $2. I got this is a kit, says sweet something sweet. So it has all of these dies in it. It's got this stamp, or these stamps, this ribbon. It has something else in it. I honestly hadn't even bothered to open it. I didn't even open it yet, but okay, diamond press. These has 2 sets of stamps, stencils. This is interesting. Okay, whatever this is, okay. It feels like cardstock. Ribbon, something else in here, but it's got 2 sets of stamps in here. Yeah, I paid $2. I paid $2 for this. I am going to take some time to look it up to see what it is, but I paid $2 for this entire pack. I paid $1 for all of these notebooks. 6 in here, and they're quite thick too. I can tell maybe they probably were purchased off of Temu or somewhere at some point in time. I don't know, but I paid $1 for these. I got these beautiful die cut floral decorative letters, die cutouts. These are cute. I paid $1 for these. This is faux leather. There's 4 rolls in here. I paid $2 for this. I paid $2 for that. I got these mini folders that I typically either store my stamps or my dies in. I paid $1 for these. Got a set of stamps and an embossing folder. I paid $1 for these. I got this HTV Ront self-adhesive velvet patch. It's a pack. It has about 4 or 6 of them in here. I paid $1 for these. Brand new, not even opened. Brand new, not even open. I got these faux leather sheets. Paid $1 for all of them. All of them, paid $1. I came across these envelopes and these wax seals envelopes and wax seals. Paid $1 for these, the envelopes and the wax seals. Envelopes and the wax seals, $1. If I can get it closed. And I came across these UV DTF transfers. I don't know how many are in here. There's like several in here. I am going to actually take my time to pull these out. I'm going to actually pull these out. These are cute. Cute. These are cute. Interesting. These are cute. There's quite a few of them in here too. I don't want to take and waste your time and go, that's funny, go through all of them, but there seems to be, wow, a plethora of them in here. Oh, there's a lot. I paid $1 for this entire pad. It's cute. Really? Oh, wow. Okay, wow. I wasn't looking for that, but that got me. I'm just skimming through. Wow. Okay. It feels like maybe about 20 something in here. Maybe. I got all of these for $1. I ended up getting, look at this. Now this one is cut, but I can always use it. I ended up getting this large box of manila file folders for $1. Legal size manila file folders. And these were originally these are Amazon Basics. So again, I know we're all chasing all these right now. We still are, and rightfully so. But I just wanted to show you these things so that you would know there are so many other places for us to hunt at too. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Thank you for stopping in. Goodbye.